This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a government degree college. You will learn the entire process from beginning to end, ensuring a smooth application experience. We will cover key stages, including eligibility, required documents, and submission procedures. This guide helps you confidently prepare each step, avoiding common pitfalls. By the end, you will have a clear roadmap for your college application journey. Meeting the eligibility criteria is your first crucial step for admission. Generally, applicants need a minimum of 50% marks in their intermediate or equivalent examination. Age requirements usually state you must be between 17 and 24 years old on the application deadline. Additionally, some colleges might have domicile requirements, so always check those specific guidelines carefully. Prepare your academic records in advance to confirm your qualifications. The application process usually starts with creating an account on the college's official online portal. Next, meticulously fill out the detailed application form, providing accurate personal and academic information. This often involves several pages, so take your time and double-check every entry. Remember to upload clear, scanned copies of all your required documents, ensuring each file meets the specified format and size. Finally, review your entire application before submission. You will need several key documents, including your intermediate marks sheet, identity card, and a character certificate. Ensure you have high-quality scanned copies of a recent passport-sized photograph and your clear signature ready for upload. The application fee is usually around 500 rupees, which can often be paid online through various digital payment methods. Always keep the payment confirmation receipt for your records. Double-check all document specifications before uploading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.